Welcome back to the channel. Right, so today we are going to jump on, get those arches rolled, and all being well, we're going to get the new wheels on finally. Been waiting ages to do that. So let's jump on it and crack on.
I could set you free, show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free of the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. I could set you free.
Right, so I've never rolled arches before, so this is a learning experience for me as well. Obviously, arch lining out. Let's give it a quick clean, and then let's start heating up the arch and start rolling. Right, brand new arch roller. Been meaning to buy myself one for donkey's years, but I finally invested in one. I'll leave a link in the description for anyone that wants to get one. But yeah, here it goes. Right, after a couple of minutes it's going in, but we are having a few little issues. Obviously the paintwork on this Mark 1 is absolutely atrocious, and so a lot of it is actually primer, and it's cracking like nobody's business, so we might have to get some paint on that at some point soon. We're also having an issue with the roller fouling on these G60 calipers. I'll do a video on the G60 calipers soon, but I'm just going to see if I've got a 5mm spacer, which might be enough for us to clear it. So yeah, I don't know if you can really tell there, but it has rolled it in quite nicely. There's a few cracks in the paintwork, but like I say, this arch is 99% primer than it is actually real paint, so it's flaking off silly easily. Right, so new wheels are on. If I just turn the camera around, you can have a budge. There we go. I'm going to drop it down in a moment and then take another pictures for you, but yeah, awesome. Bit of a pain, you have to shorten the wheel nuts, and the hub centric one you have to shorten even more so, but you still get a good 5 or 6 if not more turns out of each nut, so it's safe as it can be. Right, that's the front's done. We're going to come back tomorrow now and crack on and do the rears, but I'm liking it a lot.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rushing through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle climactic fly. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5, I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend you're shy. take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow, I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the thief finally got some clarity. Don't you know, all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, feeling cool, quite magnified. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Pretend you're shy. Make it slow, let it go. Make it slow, let it go. Make it slow, let it go. Make it slow, let it go.
Right, in conclusion, we have now got all the adapters fitted, all the wheels fitted, as you can see. We've test driven it up to about 50 miles an hour with no vibrations, no untoward noises and everything else. Everything seems hunky-dory, and yeah, I'm well happy with it. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll go back over with the torque wrench and torque everything back up again in a few weeks. Bear in mind, don't get used too much. But also, we've got a few bits to get finished ready, as we have Low Collective show in Ipswich in 2 weeks, I believe it is. So we'll be back out here again very soon with a few more bits and pieces for you. Right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you very soon. Take care. Goodbye.